Good afternoon, everyone. Today, let me discuss the problems on cross product. Till now, we have completed the dot product problems, right? Now, right on yesterday, even I have completed the concept of cross product once again. So, now let me start the problems, objective problems on cross product or vector product. Write down the first problem. I am going to write on the board. See the first problem. A bar comma B bar are, write down, are the non-zero vectors such that A bar cross B bar is equals to B bar cross A bar, then the vectors are, he has given you. That means he has given you four options. He has given you four options, like the first option is this result is always true. This result is impossible, parallel to each other and perpendicular to each other. That means he has given you one condition that A bar comma B bar are non-zero. This is zero. Okay, non-zero vectors such that A cross B is equals to B cross A. Then the vectors are. What is the answer? What is the solution which you should know? Which you should get? Observe. A bar comma B bar, A cross B. Generally, what is the property of? What are the properties of vector product or cross product? We know A cross B is not equals to B cross A, right? That means, but in this question, he has given you A cross B is equals to B cross A. It means if they are parallel to each other, those two will become zero. That means A cross B value become null vector. B cross A is also a null vector. That means those two becomes equal in only one case. That means A cross B is equals to B cross A is possible if they are parallel. Right? This is the solution for that question. I am going to repeat this question. He has given you A bar comma B bar are any two non-zero vectors. Okay, and A cross B is equals to B cross A. A cross B is equals to B cross A is possible if and only if those two are parallel. Why? Because A bar comma B bar are parallel to each other. We are having one condition like A cross B is equals to null vector. Am I right? Similarly, B bar comma A bar are parallel to each other, means the condition becomes B bar and A bar are parallel to each other. Then B cross A becomes null vector. As these two are equals to null vectors, right? Then these two will be equal. What does it mean? What is the conclusion? A bar cross B bar becomes B bar cross A bar if and only if those two are parallel to each other. Write down the answer for that one. B bar is equals to 3i bar plus 4j bar minus k bar plus 4j bar minus k bar. Then he asked you to find out the magnitude of A bar cross B bar. He asked you to find out the magnitude of A cross B. I hope you can do this problem. See, first of all, the solution I am going to start. First of all, find out A bar cross B bar, like I bar, J bar, K bar, okay, 2, minus 1, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, okay. Now, which implies A bar cross B bar is equals to I bar into 1 minus 4 minus J bar into minus 2 minus 3 plus K bar into 8 plus 3, right? Simplify this, and after that find out magnitude of A bar cross B bar, which is equals to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. I am going to repeat this problem once again. Find out A cross B, okay, I bar into 1 minus 4 minus J bar into minus 2 minus 3 plus K bar into minus 2 minus 3. Okay, sorry, K bar into 8 plus 3, right? Simplify that and find out the magnitude of A cross B. I hope you can do this problem. You should get the answer as root over 145 after simplification. And on the next problem, if A bar is equals to 2i minus j plus 3k, 2i minus j plus 3k, B bar is equal to pi plus j plus qk, pi plus j plus qk, then and he has given you another condition, and B bar cross A bar is a null vector, then find P comma Q. Then find P comma Q. Right? B cross A is a null vector. Find the magnitude of that B cross A. Sorry, that means delta of that one, not magnitude. First of all, find out B bar cross A bar, which is equals to delta of I bar, J bar, K bar, okay, P Q, P1 Q, okay, 2 minus 1, 3 is equals to null vector, equated to this, right? This is 3, okay. Now, which implies I bar into 3 plus Q minus J bar into 3P minus 2Q, right, plus K bar into minus P minus 2 is equals to 0. That means null vector. I am going to repeat this determinant. While you are doing B cross A, B should be first, right? P1Q, right? Observe that one. And A must be the second. 2 minus 1, 3. Now, this one and this one gone. 3 plus Q minus J bar, 3P minus 2Q plus K bar minus P minus 2, right? Which implies 3i or 3 plus Q into I bar minus J bar into 3P minus 2Q minus K bar into P plus 2 is equals to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Equate them, you are going to get the answer, right? Observe. 3 plus q is equals to 0. Q value is equals to minus 3. Similarly, minus of p plus 2 is equals to 0. P value is equals to minus 2. Small change here, 2, 3, 1. Right, next problem. Over 2a bar. See, I am going to repeat this problem. There is no, I hope there is no need to repeat this problem. Why? Because simple logic, b cross a is equals to null vector. So I found that b cross a, I just expanded the determinant and I equated to null vector like 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay, and here 3 plus q is equals to 0. Q is equals to minus 3. Minus of p plus 2 is equals to 0. P is equals to minus 2. And after that, write down this problem. A bar given to you, B bar given to you. He asked you to find out A bar plus 2B bar cross 2A bar minus B bar. I hope you have done this. Shall I rub this part? Shall I rub this part? Yes. Copy that problem. Yes. I hope you have copied that question. Now, first of all, simplify the given one. After that, you can a plus 2b bar cross 2a bar minus b bar. Go through the normal multiplication like a bar, okay, distributive property. A bar cross this entire plus 2b bar cross this entire. That means 2 into a cross a, okay, minus of a cross b plus 4 into b cross a minus 2 into b cross b. Normal multiplication I have done. A into a bar cross 2a bar 2 a cross a plus into minus okay, A cross B negative, plus 4 into B cross A minus 2 into B cross B, right? Now, you know very well, A cross A value is 0, minus A cross B is equals to plus B cross A, minus A cross B is equal to plus B cross A, plus 4B cross A, right, minus 0. Now you are going to get 5B bar cross A bar. So which means 5 into, okay, B bar cross A bar is equals to, I am going to write this one here in front of this step, right? 5 into I bar, J bar, K bar, B, 2, 3, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. Simplify this, you are going to get answer. Simplify that one, you are going to get the answer. Right? You should get this much. Copy that. Here minus 55, I'm sorry. Minus 25i plus 35j minus 55k. Copy this one. I am going to repeat this problem once again. A cross 2a bar minus A cross B plus 2 to 4 B cross A minus 2 B cross B. You know very well, A cross A value is equals to null vector, B cross B is equal to null vector, right? After that, you know, minus A cross B can be written as B cross A, right? And at the time of concept, I taught you. So this is B cross A again. This is 4 times of B cross A. Totally it becomes 5 B cross A. 5 into B cross A value. While I am doing B cross A, B should be taken initially, right? So 2, 3, 1. Okay. 3 minus 1 minus 2. Simplify that. You are going to get the answer of minus 25i plus 35j minus 55k. If the angle between A bar comma B bar is equals to 5, then modulus of 4A cross 5B plus B cross A. Four A bar cross 5B bar plus B cross A. Angle between A bar comma B bar is equals to 180 degrees has been given to you. Yes. What you should do? Observe that one carefully. he has given you the angle between A comma B is equals to 180 degrees, right? Okay, so the answer you should get it is 0. How, sir? Observe the solution. 5 4s are. That means I am going to write the question again. Plus, right, which is equals to 20 A cross B. B cross A can be written as minus of A cross B. So you are going to get magnitude of 19 A cross B, which is equal to 19 into mod A cross B, which is equals to 19 into mod A into mod B into sine theta, right? Mod A cross B value is equals to this. Theta value is equals to how much he has given you? 5, that is 180, which implies 19 into mod A value as it is, mod B value as it is, sine 180 degrees. Sine 180 degrees value is equal to how much? 0. So the entire answer should be 0. I am going to repeat the problem. I am going to repeat this problem. Observe. I am requesting you, please turn off your video. I request you all to turn off your video, please. Yes. This is the question. 4 5 is 20, A cross B. B cross A can be written as minus A cross B. Here 20 and here 1. It is 19 A cross B. So 19. A cross B under mod can be written as mod A into mod B into sine theta. Right? So theta value is equal to how much given to you? 180 degrees. Therefore, sine 180 degrees is equals to 0. 19 into 0 value is obviously 0. Copy that one. See the next question on the screen. Hey, I am requesting you all to turn off your video. I said, please turn off your video. Yes. See that next question. Mod A is equals to 2, mod B is equals to 4. Then he asked us to find out the value of magnitude of A cross B whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta. Sir, he has given you in an ordered pair A comma B. What does it mean? It is cos square theta, where theta is the angle between A and B. So, how to do it, sir? Mod A cross B whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta is equals to, let me consider it as theta, okay? What is the formula here? Mod a square plus mod a square into mod b square into sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Cancel. Mod a square into mod b square. Mod a square value is equal to mod a is equal to 2, mod a square 4. It is equals to 16. The value it is 64. I am going to repeat this question once again. Observe that one. Mod a cross b whole square can be written as mod a square plus mod b square into sin square theta. Right? Why? Because mod a cross b is equal to mod a into mod b into sin theta. Na? So mod a square into mod b square into sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. Both denominator and numerator get cancelled. We are going to get mod a square into mod b square. Where mod a square, mod a value is equal to 2 given to you, mod a square becomes 4. Mod b is equal to 4 given to you, mod b square value is equal to 16. That means the answer should be 4 16s are 64, right? Copy that problem. Now, observe that problem. A bar is equals to 2i minus 2j plus 4k. B bar is equals to 3i plus j plus 2k, right? Then find the sine angle between A bar comma B bar. Please turn off your video. Yes. He has given you to find out the sine angle between A bar and B bar. So first of all, find out what is the sine angle between A comma B. Sine theta is equals to mod A cross B by mod A into mod B naught. So initially find out A cross B, which is equals to delta of I bar, J bar, K bar. 2 minus 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, right? And find the determinant, expand the determinant of this, which you are going to get I bar minus 4, right? Minus J bar, okay, minus J bar, 4 minus 12 plus K bar, 2 plus 6, okay? Now observe, I am going to repeat once again. I bar minus 4 minus J bar 4 minus 12 plus K bar 2 plus 6, right? Now simplify this one and find out magnitude of A cross B. Okay, root of, this is minus 8 square, 64. This is minus 8 square, 64 again. This is 64 again. And afterwards, find out mod A bar. What is mod A bar value? Mod A is equals to root of 4 plus 16. Okay. And find out magnitude of B bar, root of 9 plus 1 plus 4. And now, sine angle, sine theta is equal to mod A cross B upon root of, mod A into mod B, right? Now substitute all the values, you are going to get the answer. I am repeating this problem. He has given you two vectors, 2i minus 2j plus 4k, 3i plus j plus 2k, right? 3i plus j plus 2k, right? And he asked you to find out the sine angle between those two vectors. So to do that one, what is the sine theta value? Sine theta is equals to mod A cross B by mod A into mod B. Initially you should find out initially you should find out A cross B now. To find out A cross B, this is A cross B, right? So I found that determinant of the result is magnitude of that one for this purpose, right? And magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Substitute all the values, you are going to get the answer. Copy this slowly. You should get this answer as 2 by root 7. 2 by root 7. Turn off your video. Ma, please turn off your video, ma. Yes. A bar comma B bar are unit vectors. You copy this one, afterwards I will do that. Copy that one. Now, he has given you A comma B are 2 unit vectors, means mod A is equals to mod B is equals to 1. Mod A cross B is also 1. What does it mean? Mod A into mod B into sin theta is equals to 1. The value of mod A cross B value is nothing but mod A into mod B into sin theta is equals to 1. Which means this value is 1, this value is 1, sin theta is equals to 1, theta is equals to 90 degrees. You copy this one. Tomorrow we can see some more problems. Thank you.